deeper, but I have to stay afloat. It's noisy. Be a person you don't want. Can somebody take me other thing? Going to do. Where's the life I? Where's my childhood? Is this called living? I don't know. Where's the life I? Where's my childhood? Is this called living? I don't know.
First, I will moisturize my face. For this, I'm using here Nivea Light Moisturize Cream. Before starting makeup, you need to prep up your skin well so that makeup can easily and evenly apply it on your face. So for the primer, I am using here Blue Heaven Studio Perfection Primer. Primer fills up open pores and improves the look of foundation. So I have a pimple mark and slight dark circle under my eyes, and I'm concealing my spot using NY Bay Orange Stick Color Corrector. You can skip this step if you don't have any spot or pigmentation on your face. I have a very few spot on my face, that's why I'm using it. So here I'm applying concealer. For concealer I'm using here Darning Isabella Concealer. The shade number is 05. I have applied it over the orange corrector to conceal my spot. And now blending it well using a beauty blender. Now I'm applying Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. The shade is Golden Beige. And using a damp sponge, I will blend it well. Here you can use brush also to blend it. And to set the foundation, I'm using here Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Compact Powder. Now I will do my eye makeup. Here I will create smoky kind of eye makeup using kajal. First I will apply kajal on my eyelids. If it gets quite messy, no problem, it will all be covered up later. With a small brush I will smudge the kajal well on my eyelids. Then I will apply green eyeshadow and mix it well with the kajal. You need to move the brush from outer corner to inner corner. On the crease, I will apply brown eyeshadow and mix it well with the kajal, so that in between there will be no harsh line visible. To shape my outer corner, I am applying concealer using a brush. I will create here wing eyeliner. I am using Lakme 925 eyeliner. You also can use gel eyeliner. Here I am applying Lakme Iconic Kajal. And then using a smudger brush, I will smudge it well to give it a smoky effect. And again I will apply the same green color on my lower lash line and smudge it well. To highlight the inner corner, I am applying here glitter eyeshadow. And the same color I will use to highlight my brow bone. Then I'm applying mascara on both my upper and lower lash line. And with this my eye makeup is complete. For the blush, I am using here LA Color blush. It is in the shade of Red Rough. I will apply it on my nose a little. And here I am using In Color highlighter to highlight my cheekbones. First I will apply a lip liner to draw the lines. And then I will apply lipstick. Here I am applying Blue Heaven Liquid Matte Lipstick. On the first shade, I will again apply Blue Heaven Red Liquid Lipstick. To set the whole makeup, I'm spraying here Wet n Wild Photo Focus Makeup Spray. It will lock your makeup for a longer time. So here is the final makeup look. I hope you enjoyed this video and this makeup look as well. So if you like this video, then please give a thumbs up to this video, and if you want to see more videos like this, then do not forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. So I'll see you in my next videos. Till then, bye bye.